let's draw like this. See, just try to do a circle movement, like one long stroke until you get it. Okay. Bye. We'll still try to draw the face from the front. Okay. Now let's draw the jaw. Yeah, we're going to draw another female face. To make it easier, I'm gonna start to draw with something squarish first. See?
Yeah.
Just to get the silhouette, like last time, right? It's always the same. Yeah. And then we draw if we want to draw, we do the whole face, we divide into half. If we divide into half, this is where the eyes is. Okay. And then draw another divide. This is the nose, right? And then the other half in here is the hairline. From here represents a circular movement, which is the chin. Okay. One, two, three. Here. This is the eyes. See, when we draw anime, one thing that I know very sure, the difference is if you draw Western, this is where the mouth is, right? Yesterday. Yeah, but anime, the mouth is in here, right? Yeah, so let's just mark the mouth first. And then the nose is actually smaller. This is where the eyebrow is. Then in here you go down. And this cheekbone connect to the mouth. Let's draw the ears. Start from here, goes up to the eyes here, and then go down to the nose. Okay. In here, I simply just try to draw the silhouette of the hair. Even though the hair can go all the way here, but I choose the hair to go here, exactly where the neckline is, so people can still see the neck, and it has the flow that connects. Let's give her eyeball.